Today we are going to learn how to make a quiz using Google Form. The first thing you're going to want to do is create a brand new blank form. The next step you are going to want to do is press the setting button at the top. You are going to want to turn on Make This a Quiz so that Google Form will grade it for you automatically, and it can provide feedback for your students. You need to carefully read through all of these special settings to make sure that the quiz fits your needs. You can do different things like how you want your grades released and how you want your students to view once they submit it and while they're viewing it. So after you've turned that on and fixed the settings you would like, you're going to go back to questions. This is where we are going to edit how our form looks and the questions. So the first thing you're going to want to do is change the background color, change fonts, sizings of things, and anything you would like for your students to see visually. So you're going to press this little art palette at the top called Customize Theme. Here you can change your header font and size, and question and text. For the purpose of this, we are going to leave everything the same. The only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to choose an image for a header. I'm going to use these because my quiz is going to be about colors. And as you can see, Google Form automatically shows colors that fit with that image. Next, you are going to change the title. For me, again, it's going to be Color Quiz. Then you can add a description or instructions for your student. So I'm going to write, please answer every question carefully. And then it's time to do the questions. So you're going to click this question and all the settings are going to pop up. So for me, my first question is going to be, what color is a banana? Okay. If you would like, you can choose short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, check boxes. These are the different types of questions that you can have. For the sake of this, we're just going to do multiple choice. Then you're going to write your options. So the first one, we're going to write yellow, and then blue, green, and pink. Again, up to you. You need to be careful because then you need to press answer key. This is going to be where you choose your correct answer. So for this, it's going to be yellow. And then if you would like to change the point value, you can here. So for me, this question is only going to be worth 1 point. And the last thing we're going to look at is I want to make this question required, which just means the student has to answer it to submit this form. And that's how you make a question. You can press this add a question button to do another question, and so on and so on. One last thing is, if you would like your students to write their name or maybe what class they're in or anything like that, all you have to do is press short answer. Your question is, what is your name? Again, they write their short answer, which should be their name. Answer key, you don't really have to worry about that because you'll put it in, other than you do want to make it 0 points, okay, unless you want it to just be one fun extra point, up to you. Then again, press required. When looking at this, we want to make sure that this is the very first question. So we're going to press the 6 dots and drag it up carefully. And that is how you make the quiz. You can see how your students would see the quiz by pressing the preview button, and it shows you how your students will view the quiz. Thank you for watching.